Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how we made a little over $389 from pretty much day trading stocks. We're going to be talking about the strategy, the approach I used, my mentality, the psychology. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the market, check out our school. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. We teach you how to find these undervalued stocks. We teach you the scanners to use, the entry points to enter, where to sell. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you do, like and subscribe and check out the school and code trader for 51% off. Only 2 spots left for that code. So if you want to elevate that trading game, check out the school and let's jump into this here. So, all right. So the first thing here is trends. Trends, in my opinion, are one of the most underutilized things that traders don't pay attention to. And this is the stock that we took the position with, ETR, and it has that good upward trend. So, some traders and investors, they think a stock on a downward trend is magically going to recover, right? They think, oh my gosh, I can buy this stock super cheap. Maybe it sold off from $20 to $3, and you go, wow, if this stock goes back up to $20, I'm going to be like rich. I'm going to be making thousands. But in reality, that $3 stock then goes to $2, then $1, and then it just consolidates there. So, with this stock here, ETR, the first thing I look at is the trend, right? And that's kind of what we noticed. The second thing is trying to find some sort of support. Support could be a variety of different things. It could be a trend line. It could be a moving average line. It could be, any indicator. So with ETR here, if you look at this yellow line, which is the 50-day moving average line, we can see in the past it hit it once and we had buying pressure, right? You guys can see that nice wick right here where it hits that zone. We had that good move going up. Previous to that, right, it hit these moving average lines, gotten good buying pressure, hit it in here, got a good move going up. So now as we look at it, the stock sells off from $88 all the way down to about $81. So this sell-off here is about 8.5%. So anytime you have sell-off in the market, there's 2 approaches you can think of. The one approach is going, oh my gosh, I can buy this stock super cheap. If it recovers, I'm making good money. That's the mentality I have. The second mentality is going, oh my gosh, this thing has sold off. I'm not touching this. This thing's a sinking ship. Let's get out and not worry about it. Now, after this here, after we had that good upward trend, we find that support. What else do we look at? So for me, I love looking at something called the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index here. And it was trading near around a 38. The last time it was trading for a 38 on the RSI was all the way back in here, right in this range. And what happened after? Great buying pressure. So now as we go through this again, we have a stock on an upward trend, sold off down to that 50-day moving average line, which is a heavy support for the stock. It's undervalued on that RSI. Let's enter. No, not just yet. We want to look at some sort of lower time frame. So for me, I was looking at the hourly time frame. I was looking at the hourly to get a general gauge of trends and looking for breakouts. You guys can see just this general downward trend in the price. And we set an alert right above that trend, near and around that $80 mark, near and around about $80.50. Now, obviously, we're never going to be able to buy at $80.50. It's very difficult to do so, to get in at a super low price. But with this stock here, we were able to get in relatively close to this, right? Near and around the 80 mark. So relatively good on that good breakout. Now, given the whole market conditions that we've seen just in the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, all of that good stuff, if we look at the S&P 500, we can see that the market's been just getting absolutely crushed, right? Looking at certain sectors, we're seeing all these sectors selling off like crazy. So how do we approach that with trading? Well, get in and out of your position quick, right? In and out, capture profit, move on to other opportunity. And yes, right now the stock popped up. it was up about a little over 3% when we took profits. And the reason why we took profits is actually if we go to that 30-day minute chart and we bring those moving average lines back up, you can see it actually hit that 200-day moving average line as resistance, and that's where we got out of the position, was right there. And we got out there because these moving average lines just have tendencies of getting selling pressure. We wanted to capture that profit, that momentum. So the thing is yes, we only made like 3-4% off this trade. But in reality, if you can make 3% per month, not even in a single day, you are in the top 5% of all traders in the entire world. So yes, a small move like this, couple $100. Honestly, what this does is it just gives me a little more confidence that you can make money in the market as of right now. The market's very volatile, it's very risky, but with the right due diligence, being prepared, that stock that we traded, I was looking at it on Sunday, setting those alerts, being prepared, understanding, if it pops up, we can get in and out of this position very, very quick. And that's exactly what happened. It's starting to sell off a little bit now after the market, not after the market day, but just later in the day today. So for me, we're up, we made some money, and now we're just going to continue to ride the wave. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Check out our school if you want to learn how to find these undervalued stocks, and you guys can get 51% off. 51% off by using code TRADER. Also, the broker I use is Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic. I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stock just by signing up. So click that link, sign up, and I'll see you guys in there, and take care, guys.